Assuming that you're searching for Chilliz cost expectations conjecture for 2024, 2025, 2030 and explicitly need to know where the costs of Chilliz CHZ will go from now on, we will essentially break down the past costs of Chilliz CHZ and will figure out what specialists especially are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you really want to take this expectation and each extremely other forecast with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master examiners. Not to basically make reference to foreseeing something so wonderful explicitly is totally unimaginable, which is genuinely huge. However, we will especially make an honest effort, or so they most certainly thought. How about we really start? Chilliz sort of past value examination as per the most recent information assembled. The ongoing cost of Chilliz is $0.1859 and CHZ in every practical sense is at present positioned #84 in the truly whole crypto-biological system amazingly. The core supply of Chilliz is 888,289,967 with a market cap of $1035 to 71.81. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Chilliz's cost has shown a very decent increment of 217% as of now, or so they generally thought. For most recent 7 days, the CHZ was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 14.45%. Chilliz has shown areas of strength for extremely of late, and this could be decent an open door to dive right in and explicitly put resources into an unpretentious way. Chilliz value expectation 2024 according to the figure and specialized examination. In 2024, the cost of Chilliz sort of is supposed to explicitly reach at least value worth of $0.2482 in a significant manner. The CHZ cost can fundamentally arrive at an especially most extreme value worth of $1.727 with the typical worth of $0.2528. Chilliz value expectation 2025 the cost of Chilliz is anticipated to explicitly reach at an in every way that really matters least degree of $1.2060 in 2025. The Chilliz cost can arrive at an exceptionally most extreme degree of $1.2558 with the very normal cost of $1.36 all through 2025. CHZ value conjecture for 2026 Chilliz cost most certainly is gauged to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $1.2900 in 2026, which is very critical. According to our discoveries, the CHZ cost could arrive at a kind of greatest conceivable degree of $608 with a typical figure cost of $1986. Really in spite of prevalent thinking. Chilliz CHZ value expectation 2027 the cost of Chilliz is anticipated to reach at an in every practical sense least worth of $41.6 in 2027 in a fundamentally significant manner. The Chilliz cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $5,002 with a typical exchanging cost of $42.55 all through 2027, or so they thought. Chilliz value expectation 2028 as per our profound specialized examination on kind of past value information of CHZ. In 2028, the cost of Chilliz is estimated to be at around a by and large least worth of $0.6030. The Chilliz value worth can especially arrive at a limit of $0.7070 with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $0.62 to 42 in USD, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Chilliz value expectation 2029 Chilliz cost is figured to arrive at a most minimal, especially conceivable degree of $758 in 2029. According to our discoveries, the CHZ cost could explicitly arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $106 with the typical figure cost of $9071. Chilliz CHZ value expectation 2030 according to the conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2030, the cost of Chilliz in a real sense is truly anticipated to reach at any rate level of $126. The CHZ cost can arrive at an extremely greatest degree of $0.49 with the exceptionally normal exchanging cost of $0.19. Chilliz value figure 2031 the cost of one Chilliz is supposed to for the most part reach at an in every way that really matters least degree of $0.86 in 2031, which essentially is very huge. The CHZ cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.17 with a really normal cost of $0.91 all through 2031. Chilliz CHZ value forecast 2032 as per our kind of profound specialized examination on past value information of CHZ. In 2032 the cost of Chilliz is truly anticipated to reach at a kind of least degree of $65, which sort of is very critical. The CHZ cost can especially arrive at a greatest degree of $323 with the extremely normal exchanging cost of 2.73, or so they thought. Chilliz value forecast 2033. The cost of Chilliz is anticipated to basically reach at a really least worth of $20.75 in 2033. The Chilliz cost could arrive at a kind of most extreme worth of $4.56 with a typical exchanging cost of $3.89 all through 2033, or so they truly thought. Chilliz value figure 2040. The reception and true use instances of a cryptographic money are similarly fundamental contemplations. Projects with certainly useful applications and broad reception for the most part are essentially something else in every practical sense, prone to persevere in the long truly run amazingly. According to the Chilliz cost gauge for 2040, CHZ explicitly is expected to generally arrive at a greatest value worth of $80.18 in 2040, which is very huge. The base really anticipated cost of CHZ coin in 2040 is supposed to be around $66.05 in a significant manner, while the typical cost of the Chilliz for 2040 is projected to, in a real sense, be $70.10 in a sort of enormous manner. CHZ value estimate for 2050 comprehension market patterns and feelings is pivotal. However, opinion can generally be flighty in a significant manner. Looking at current market elements can offer bits of knowledge into potential cost developments. However, it is fundamental to consider the more extensive environment by and large. In 2050, the most extreme cost of Chilliz is supposed to reach $116.71, with a typical exchanging worth of $107.38 amazingly. The in every practical sense, least value is projected to fundamentally be around $101.86. Chilliz value figure facts. What is the fate of Chilliz? Genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking, the fate of Chilliz in a real sense is profoundly subject to the general presentation of the crypto business in a kind of huge manner. At the point when it in a real sense comes to putting resources into CHZ, you really want to, in every practical sense, ensure that you especially are involving the right system in an unpretentious manner. This kind of speculation certainly isn't appropriate for those with an unbalanced gamble profile, which in a real sense is very huge. Nonetheless, still a magnificent speculation for those basically have a high capacity to bear risk and a strong monetary position, which is very huge, notwithstanding its theoretical nature. CHZ likewise explicitly offers openness to a worldwide innovation and a steadily developing biological system. What amount will Chilliz be worth in 2030? As far as value, Chilliz in a real sense has a remarkable genuinely potential to arrive at new levels. It is conjecture that CHZ will increment in esteem in an unpretentious way. As indicated by quite certain specialists and business examiners, Chilliz can stir things up around town cost of 1.49 till 2030, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Is Chilliz CHZ a wise speculation? Chilliz's worth in a real sense is supposed